we've got our coordinate. So now it'll be pretty easy to find the sine, cosine, and tangent. So sine of negative 60 degrees. Remember, sine goes with our y coordinate, sine or sinoid. And our y coordinate is negative root 3 over 2. Cosine, cosine goes with the x-coordinate, which is 1/2. The tangent is the tough one on these. We have to do a little work. Tangent of negative 60 degrees. It's our y, which is negative root 3 over 2, divided by x. But we're going to change it to multiply, and then we're going to use the reciprocal. So our x was 1 over 2, so now we'll have 2 over 1. So we can cancel out the 2's. We're left with negative root 3 over 1, which is negative root 3. I don't know why I boxed that one in, but not the other ones. Well, now we got to do them all, don't we? Well, shoot. Okay. 135 degrees. So it's in quadrant 2. Quadrant 2, you find the reference angle by doing 180 minus our angle. So let's see, 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees. 45 degrees are the nice ones because it's 2 and 2. So it's root 2 over 2 and root 2 over 2. Now it's in quadrant 2, which means the x is negative, right? To the left, we make it a negative x, and it's up for the y, so that's positive. So let's see, sine of 135 degrees. Sine goes with our y, root 2 over 2. Cosine goes with the x, which is the same thing. Oh, it's negative, sorry. And then the tangent, if you did root 2 over 2 divided by root 2 over 2, it's just 1. But one of these is negative, so it'll come out to negative 1. If you want to see the work for it, you could say y over x, so root 2 over 2 times 2 over negative root 2, which comes out to negative 1. All right, one more of those. Negative 390 degrees. It ends up in quadrant 3, so let's maybe look for a coterminal. So if we did negative 390, whoops, that's negative 360. Negative 390, so close. Negative 390 plus 360 would be negative 30. If we added another full rotation to that, it would be a 330 degree angle. It's in quadrant 4, so we can just do 360 minus that angle. 360 minus 330 gives us a reference angle of 30 degrees. So if we're thinking about 30 degrees, that's our ring finger. Our x is root 3 over 2. Our y is root 1 over 2, which is 1/2. Root 3 over 2, 1 over 2. Now it's in the right bottom corner, so that means it's a positive x and a negative y. So sine of, what did we say, negative 390? Sinoid goes with our y coordinate, negative 1/2. Chicago White Sox, Co-Sox. That's our x coordinate, root 3 over 2. And then the tangent might be a little tricky, and this will be it. And then I think I'm going to do a wardrobe change. So what's it? Y over x. Root 3 over 2. We'll multiply it by the reciprocal, negative 2 over 1, which comes out to negative root 3. I'll see you in